Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how can easily fix this copper pipe dripping or copper pipe leaking in your basement. It always happen in the basement, some of copper pipe is leaking or dripping. You can easily fix this by yourself. You don't need to call any plumber. I will show you very easy way how you can fix this. Before you do this, you have to make sure this turn off your main water pipe line. Now I'm going to show you this is the area. You see this water is dripping and we have to fix that area. And before you do this one, just make sure this. Now I'm going to turn off this bulb. Just make sure that there is no water remain there. And you see this, now no water is dripping. And this area we have to fix this one. I'm going to use this shark bite. This I'm showing you here, shark bite max. This is just like a bulb. We can join very easily. These tools, this is the pipe cutter tools. You see this, there is two types of pipe cutter is available in Home Depot or Lowe's. You can buy this whatever you like. Which one is both is good, and you can easily cut your pipe line, because before you join this shark bite we have to cut this pipe line. Now I am showing you how can easily cut this pipe. Just very carefully join this attached with this pipe, then moving carefully. It will easily cut your copper pipe line. It's not very difficult. You see this, but you have to do very carefully. If you make sure this tight properly, then you can move. After cutting this pipe, we will clean this pipe both sides and we will join this shark bite. I will show you later these things. Still I am cutting this pipe. Now just attached to this shark bite. You see this, both sides will join, and make sure this tight properly, and you will get this little bit get sound if it's fixed properly. But before you turn on your bulb, make sure this is joined correctly. That's it. And this is this pipe line. Now I'm using shark bite. There is no water leaking, no dripping. That's it. Thank you.